Here's how to set any song as your ringtone on iOS 18 on your iPhone. First off, you're going to need two applications from the App Store. They're both completely free. First one is called Files. Then the second app is called GarageBand. So what you want to do next is download the song of your choice for your ringtone. And unfortunately, I can't get into specifics on how to or where to get your songs from. But you can see right here, I do have an MP3 file in my Files application. So once you're ready to go, just open up the GarageBand application. And what you want to look for is something called Audio Recorder. So just tap on that. Then there's a couple options that we need to turn off. So this one right here, which is in blue, just turn that off. Then we want to look for this brick icon and just tap on that. Now we want to click on this little plus icon, which is quite small in the right hand corner, and it will be set to automatic, but we want to turn that off, and it's going to be set to 8, but what we want to do is set that to 30. Then click done. So now we want to import our ringtones. So you want to click on this little loop icon and you want to locate your song. So ours is going to be under Files. And it's right here. You can just browse items through Files app. But what you want to do is actually tap and hold onto your ringtone and then just drag it to the timeline, and make sure you drag it to the beginning of the timeline. Now, once you have your ringtone ready to go and you like what you have, you want to click on this little downwards arrow right here, click on My Songs, and then from here, we want to tap and hold onto it, tap on Share. You're going to be given 3 options. You want to click on Ringtone, Continue, rename the ringtone to whatever you want. I'll just leave it as what it is, My Song 8, and then click on Export. So it says ringtone export successful. So now we can go into our settings application, scroll down until we see sound and haptics, ringtone, and you will see our custom ringtone that we've just created, which was called My Song 8. So if you did enjoy this video and you want more content like this, make sure you guys hit that like and follow button.